Happy Halloween, everybody! Right now you're looking at Frankenstein, but not only any Frankenstein. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. There's so many Frankensteins, but these are Royal Icing Frankensteins. And you know what, ladies and gentlemen? Boo, boo, boo. Oh, look. Are you Frankenstein's bride?
I am.
Ooh.
I got the hair.
Ooh, look at little Frankenstein's bride.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Ooh, Frankenstein.
Little Halloween special.
Yeah, Frankenstein's a good movie.
Yeah, it is a good movie.
Yeah.
I'll tell you something.
It's what does he yell? Insane or something?
The original one, the black and white you're talking about?
Yeah, the black and white one.
Yeah,
you can get that up on YouTube too.
It's almost kind of scary.
It is.
It's supposed to be scary.
Yeah, what's the guy with the hunchback? Igor?
Hunchback of Notre Dame.
I'm Igor.
No, you're not.
No, I'm actually stunning. But anyway, here we go. Royal Icing Frankenstein Cookies, only made by the Crumb Boss.
Yeah. I'll tell you something. I know I'm supposed to love everything. There are certain things that I just really don't love doing as part of my job every day. It's fun when you're doing a couple, but when you're doing hundreds of something, it's not that fun anymore.
But it's Halloween.
No, but that's what I was going to say. I love doing Frankenstein cookies, but all the other decorated cookies, like, I'm just like, you get over it real fast. It's like, okay, that was fun to do 10, but now I have to do 20,000 more. Like, really?
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, like, decorating cookies for me is like, oh, I got to do it, and I go to my happy place and I just zone out and I just do it. Frankenstein cookies are so much fun for me.
Yes, and why?
I really do love doing them because he's so cute. Like, look at him. Oh, he's so mad.
Look at him. Ooh.
Right? So I've gone ahead and already iced my flat, you know, my base color. You have to let it dry before you proceed to do
How long? You have to let it dry for like a day,
At least a day. Like, I started these early this morning, so it's already almost 12 hours later.
Yeah.
They're dried, and the reason why you want to dry it...
Well, actually, no, because you got to the bakery at 4. Yeah, actually at 2, so it's actually 6:30. It's like, oh my God. Yeah.
So the reason why you want to let your base color dry first is because then if you go ahead and do the black or the white, all those other colors are going to bleed into your base, and it just doesn't look good. So you really should take the time to let your cookies dry really nice first. Mm-hmm. Okay, and then what I do secondly is I put on his hair.
Oh, yeah, because
I use chocolate for hair.
Oh, cool.
He did have hair. He had a little bit of hair on the top.
He had a little bit of hair right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's...
So I take a brush, a pastry brush, and I dip it into my chocolate, and I just brush on some hair.
Oh, that's cute.
Right?
Hey, maybe this would have been an episode I could have done. Well, no, because it's decorating.
I can't wait. We're gonna plan that out soon.
Yeah, I'm just gonna come in. I'm gonna tell you my ingredients. I'm gonna email it to you. I'll get yelled at, and then
no, I'll get yelled at.
Yeah, no, I'll get yelled at.
And I'm gonna be you. You're gonna yell at me. All right, so that's the step I do next, and then I've got some plain white royal icing in my pastry bag here. I'm using a disposable pastry bag just because it's a lot easier. And I make his eyes first. Just like that.
Look how cute it is. 4 little Frankensteins coming right up.
Yeah, and then what I do, this is a, oops, oh, I almost dropped it. This is a basket weave tip.
Basket weave, yes,
but it's a basket weave that has the teeth on one side and the straight tip on the other. So I'm going to use that for his heavy eyebrow. That's what really makes him look like Frankenstein. It's the eyebrow that makes it.
That's right. You're totally right. See that? The eyebrow.
Yeah, I'll show you that because look, we could do everything else and not do the eyebrow, and it doesn't make it until you finish it. So here's the black for his eyes. I like to make him have kind of like googly eyes because he, you know, I mean, geez, he just got like electrocuted, didn't he?
Yeah, something. They brought him to life.
That's why his mouth.
He's alive. He's alive.
Just like
that's what he yells. He's alive. It's alive or he's alive?
It's alive.
It's alive.
Right? So look, there you have it.
It's a big mouth.
Watch what happens when we just do this one last touch. It really makes a big difference. It goes from being like cartoon looking to really like, he's so mad. Okay, so there's that.
And then we have one more thing, which would be his nose.
His nose. So I have to just switch out my coupler tip because right over here, I'm going to switch it to a straight tube just so I can get his nose on there.
There's so many little things that you have to know and do in order to get, just to make the perfect Frankenstein cookie.
That's right, but if you go to the video of Crumb Boss basic cake decorating kit, 101. You're going to find what my recommendations are to navigate yourself through the bakery.
Cool,
like
look at
I
that.
do.
That's so cool.
All right, so there you have Frankenstein.
There we have Frankenstein. It's alive.
Oh, you know what else I have? A little bonus.
Oh, wow,
for
she's
you.
pulling out the bonus stops,
Yeah, 'cause
everybody.
It is Halloween.
It is
here.
Halloween.
Well,
What do you
not
got?
quite yet, but we're getting ready for it.
We
So
have to
I've
shoot
also-
it now because
Well, that's
it's...
why we're doing it.
Exactly.
I've gone ahead and cut out some ghost cookies too with a ghost cookie cutter. And I decorate these very simply. You guys can do whatever you like, but I basically take the same black and I do some eyes and a scary
And
mouth.
there's like sugar on them, right?
Yeah, these are sugar cookies.
Sugar cookies.
So we just do that. It's it's a simple thing.
Is that royal icing?
This
or no?
is. It's colored black and it's royal icing.
And it's royal icing. Yeah, but actually the simplicity of this cookie looks really cool.
Yeah, it doesn't really. I mean, it's a ghost. What else do
It's
you
a
need,
ghost,
right?
yes, exactly. So you have the ghost cookies, and then we have, look at all these lovely Frankensteins. All right, ghosts are flying around. They're flying around Frankenstein's head because he just woke up, and he just got electrocuted, and he came back to life. And they're only made, where are the ghosts and the royal icing? Who made them?
Crumb Boss Factory, everybody. And keep watching us on Crumb Boss TV.
Yes. Happy Halloween.